Hello, I'm Michelle Sestak, an application scientist in HORIBA Scientific's Raman Application Lab, and this is Tips and Tricks for Raman Spectroscopy. Today, we're looking at how microscope slides with photoluminescence background will interfere with some samples, particularly when using 785 nanometer excitation. Glass slides have photoluminescence excitation that is broad and strong, which will overwhelm that of your sample. To keep this from happening, use a stainless steel or metal-coated slide instead. Let's first see a sample using a glass slide. As you can see, the glass slide has a strong photoluminescence background. Now let's run the stainless steel slide. The stainless steel has no Raman signal, and without a Raman signal, there is no photoluminescence interference, making stainless steel a better substrate option. If you don't have a stainless steel substrate or a metal-coated substrate available, you can simply take a small piece of aluminum foil and wrap it around your existing microscope slide and tape it into place, and you have an aluminum coated substrate ready for use. I'm Michelle Sestak from HORIBA Scientific, and this has been Tips and Tricks for Raman Spectroscopy. Thank you for watching.